Hey. So I literally woke up, had breakfast, went back to sleep, was comatose until 1 o'clock, you guys. So now we are going to the Bird Museum, which I actually have to print the tickets because once we leave here, we'll have no internet. There's like no service whatsoever here in Canada. Yeah. You guys, this building has everything in it. Like, we don't have to leave the building for nothing. There's food here. There's like so many different restaurants. There's a casino. There's a water park. There's a pool. There's a spa. There's a like different stores, and like it's so big. Like even like the parking garage is halfway across the building, but you don't have to leave the building to get there. You can just walk through the whole entire building. Like, it's so intense, like how they have the whole setup. We got one of the best hotels there is right by the falls. So if you guys ever are here, check out the Sheraton by what is it, not by the falls, on the falls, at the falls. Because on the falls, this is where they trip you up, is on the New York side. And at the falls is on the Canada side. So, yeah, there's two different sides. There's the American side and the Canadian side. So, yep. Look at that chandelier, it's so big. Look at that thing, it's huge. Alright, so you guys, one thing about Canadians is they walk really fast, drive really cautious, and they don't say hello to people. It's crazy. I don't know. We're going into Bird Kingdom, you guys, to go see all the exotic birds. We got a dove with an olive branch. That's like a sign of peace, that God will never flood the earth ever again, that the water was dry. Huh? Look at the parents, they have points on them.
Like many of the exhibits you will see here today. The building you're standing in was built in 1907 and opened as a Cinderella corset factory during the booming industrial age of Niagara Falls. The building was later purchased by the Niagara Falls Museum for their expanding collection, including many Egyptian.
Oh, it's the Egyptian stuff.
Whose lineage was unknown until 2001, when it was discovered to be none other than Pharaoh was the Hall of Daredevils. Many men and women. That's the barrel of the falls. Ha!
You take a picture.
Look at the cloud. It has lightning and thunder. Ooh, ha 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 ha. Okay.
Is that a snapping turtle? No, that is a soft shell. I've seen one that was like this big.
Oh wow.
Hello, pretty. Hello. Look at these ones kissing over here. You know, they're in love.
Oh, lovebirds.
That's the nice. Son-in-law, kiss the boy, y'all are nasty. Stop it. Stop it. You already got a grand cat. Cut it out.
Oh, they're all lovebirds. They're like all lovey-dovey. Oh, he's cleaning her. Look at it. Aww. Thanks for cleaning me. I like you. I love you. Thank you.
Look at these ones down the bottom. They're chasing each other. Like, leave me alone.
Oh, here's another turtle. Turtle. I'm not turtling up for the turtle clubs. Hi. It's a tortoise.
There's another one over here. Look at this one. That's unique.
Oh wow, yeah, it is a unique shell. He's all hiding. Those are like
They're called bearded dragons.
the bearded dragon lizards. I know a lot of people who have those actually.
Well, they can have them.
That's scary. This is a Argentine black and white tegu.
Probably not how you say tegu. It probably sounds more French. Tegu.
Look, ask the bird keeper to hold the bird. Hey, mira, hey, ¿qué pasa?
He's looking at you like, hey.
He's from Cuba, you guys.
What in the world? He's trying to knock her over. He's trying to get her. Look, he's like, wait. No.
The turtles are chasing each other.
Stop it. Stop Stop it, Deshaun. Stop it.
Oh my god, I think he's gonna hump her.
Deshaun.
No, like
stop
really,
it.
like really.
You're licking my back. Uh-oh, wait a minute.
I think he's gonna hump her.
Let's get this party started.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm really seeing this right now.
Uh-oh, they
He is.
are.
He's
Get
about
it.
to hump her. Oh my god.
We're watching procreation in its rarest form.
There he goes.
Yes,
He's humping her.
He is. Look at the head.
I can't believe
Look,
it.
he's all excited.
I can't believe it.
Look at, get
Like,
it.
we're really seeing this right now.
That is bomb.
Like we're watching what?
Life.
Oh my god.
Little turtles are being created at this very moment.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh, he's getting it. Look, he's happy. Get it, Papa. Get it. Get it, Papa.
He looks like he's stressing. She's too big for him. Lord Jesus. He likes the parties.
Yeah.
party.
Hey. So
Oh,
you,
she's like, I'm not having it. Like,
you better get
off
it,
of
boy. You better get it now.
She's not having it.
He's like, well, forget you then. He's like, what's
He's like,
wrong
why?
with you?
Why? Not today.
You never give me none.
I love you though. She's like,
She's
whatever.
like, look at, she's rising up. She's like, you better get it, boy.
Yeah.
Y'all better get it. Get this turtle butt.
Iguana, you guys, in Florida. I know. In Florida, they had these all over the place. There's an iguana. Aww. And then they have these birds up here. Hello, hi. Are you eating? Oh wow, look at that. Look at that snake, mother. See how big it is?
Ooh, that is a
Big snake.
albino python, I bet you. That joke is human.
Yeah, a python.
Yes.
There's one over there, a ball python. This one's smaller. He's smaller. That's crazy, you guys.
It's understand.
I know.
Let me walk by. What?
Yeah.
Hi, Jojo. Hello, Jojo. No? Okay. No. Somebody say hello. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Up there, he said hello.
I know he wanted to talk to me. Hello. Hi. Yeah. Look at that. Precious baby. Even Jazz, look.
Hi.
Want to do your exercises? Yeah, let's do some sit-ups, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are we gonna do? 7, 8.
Oh,
Magic number, okay.
good job.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah. Hello.
How you doing? How you doing?
You are Malachi, I know.
Oh, look, they're flying.
That's a zebra French.
Hi, baby.
Patient.
Water's green out here, you guys. Hi. Hi, baby. Look at them. Look at all the birdies. Oh, hi, babies. Hello. They're all in the tree. Hi, babies. Hi, baby. Him sleeping, the sugar glider.
They're nocturnal, so they're up at night.
Look at these little frogs, you guys. They're like green and blue.
Oh, they're cute. I bet you they're poisonous.
Oh my
Poison
god.
arrows. Those are the ones that they put the little darts on in Africa.
Oh
And they
yeah.
get the stuff and then they shoot them at people and they get poisoned.
Oh my
See?
gosh.
Poison arrows.
That's crazy. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at the blue one, all blue.
See,
Wow.
they coated with frog skin secretion, which is highly potent nerve toxin.
Can you look down? What's down there? Nothing?
To look down to say it's not scary. It's not gonna jump out at you.
Oh.
It's just a whole bunch of stuff down there. It's like diamonds and face masks.
Oh. What is
There it
that?
is right there. Oh no, that's a tree branch.
Over there.
Is that an owl? It's an owl.
Oh, it is an owl. Woohoo. Woohoo. Hi, baby.
Look at the eyes on him.
Aww. Hi, baby.
He's staring at us with those glow-in-the-dark eyes.
Hi, baby.
Look at that.
It's a tarantula. Look at it. It's like way back there. It's huge. It's all hairy and big, and I'm kind of like arachnophobe right now. That's so gross. Imagine that thing crawling on you.
See that movie?
There's one right there, the white one.
White. Look at them. I've seen those on Disney movies.
Yeah, so we have these in mass, so they're kind of
That
nasty.
clothes back home.
Yeah, because these are probably they probably have their sacks taken out so they don't spray. Some bats. Oh my god, a lot of them are sleeping. Oh god.
They're eating.
Oh yeah, some are eating right here.
They're eating upside down. Look at them eating over here.
These bats are called Egyptian fruit bats because they live in Egypt and the rest
Oh, they're from Egypt.
And look at them. They're getting
of
it.
parts of Southeast
Look at
Asia.
this, a baby
Egyptian
one.
fruit bats can live in
See that
large
little joker
Oh,
up
look
there?
at him.
He doesn't have no fur on.
Hi, baby.
He's just holding on to dear life.
They roost in caves,
It's a boy,
man-made
I
structures,
think.
tunnels.
That
They have a
little
lifespan
button.
up to 25
Oh,
years.
Snickerdoodle,
These
hi.
animals do
Look
face
at 'em.
challenges from humans. Fruit bats are considered a pest by fruit farmers who may poison the bats.
Look at that, you guys. It's so pretty. That's so cool, you guys. Around the house. And there's some flying up there. Look at that, you guys. Hi, baby. Hello. Oh, wow. Look at all the parrots.
There's a whole bunch of water down there. Hey, look at the tail. Come over here, look at the tail.
Oh wow, look at his tail, how beautiful it is. Hi,
Look
baby.
at the color eyes.
You're so pretty. Hi, gorgeous. Hello. Wow, did you see the wing? Look at that blue one. Oh my gosh. They are so pretty. Hi, baby.
He's like, I'm gonna fly. I think I'm gonna fly. Yeah, he does.
All right, here's our friend. Hi, baby. Hello. Hi, precious. Hello, you're so pretty.
Stretch your stuff. He's out there.
Hi, baby. Hello. Hi, preciouses. Hi, baby. He's like a baby. Hi, baby. I see you, Rainbow.
Yeah. That's what you take care of.
Look at his hair feathers on his neck. It's so cool. They're so pretty. The neck feathers. Oh wow, look at his tail, how beautiful it is. Hi, baby. You're so pretty. Hi, gorgeous. Hello. Wow, did you see the wings? Look at that blue one. Oh my gosh. They are so pretty. Hi, baby. He's like, I'm gonna fly. I think I'm gonna fly. Yeah, he bit him. All right, here's our friend. Hi, baby. Hello. Hi, precious. Hello, you're so pretty. Hi, baby. Hello, hi, preciouses. Hi, babies. He's like a baby. Hi, baby. I see you, Rainbow. Look at that pretty pink carrot. Look at his hair feathers on his neck. It's so cool. They're so pretty. The neck feathers. Hi, baby. You're gorgeous. The koi fish from Japan. Hi, babies.